Hey there, iPhone users. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a quick and useful guide for you on how to free up some valuable storage space on your Apple iPhone. So let's jump right into it. Step 1. Open Settings. The first thing you need to do is open your iPhone's Settings app. You can find this app on your home screen. It looks like a gear icon. Tap on it to get started. Step 2. General. Within the Settings app, scroll down a bit and look for the General option. It's usually towards the top, and it has a gray icon with gears on it. Tap on General to proceed. Step 3. iPhone Storage. Once you're in the General section, look for and tap on iPhone Storage. This is where you'll find a detailed breakdown of your storage usage. Step 4. Offload Unused Apps. Here's the magic step. In the iPhone storage section, you'll see a list of your apps, ordered by how much space they're taking up. Scroll through the list and identify the apps you no longer use or need. Now, tap on the app you want to offload. You'll see an option called Offload App. What this does is remove the app from your device, but it keeps your app's documents and data. This way you can reinstall the app later without losing your settings or progress. Step 5. Offloading process. Once you tap on Offload App, your iPhone will prompt you to confirm your decision. Just hit Offload App again, and the process will begin. Depending on the app's size, this might take a few seconds or a minute. And there you go. The app has been offloaded, and you just reclaimed some precious storage space on your iPhone. But remember, the app's icon will still be on your home screen with a small cloud icon next to it. Step 6. Reinstalling. If you decide you want to use the app again, simply tap on the app's icon with the cloud icon. Your iPhone will then re-download the app, along with its documents and data. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more handy tips and tricks for your Apple devices. And as always, feel free to drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.